sage is gorgeous. I mean, the sage doesn't really need a great deal of explanation really, but I'm going to give one anyway. I mean, as you can see, sage has got a lot of kind of distance between where the actual curl pattern starts. So what I mean by that is it looks really quite natural almost, or like if you've been to a salon, you've had the tongue or the hot iron put in, just really broken up, quite soft. Looks great. So I really like how flat this is laying and how flat that's laying on this style. It just looks gorgeous. Now this is a much thicker piece, which just looks great. So I mean, if you are a lady out there and you like wearing a thicker wig, but you want something that's a bit longer, then this is definitely one for you. It looks very, very fashionable with the curtain bangs, which just look gorgeous. I think they look absolutely great. And yeah, this is definitely going to be one to watch. I love this colour. And this colour is shaded amber, which is a new one for this style as well. And yeah, it looks great. Let me show you the back of the style. So you can see we've got that lovely thickness running through. Now, for me, a little styling tip with this, and I'm probably going to do a video at some point. Because of the thickness, I think that this would look gorgeous in a ponytail. A really nice, big, thick pony with a bit of wave through it. So I will do that video at some point for you guys. And just wanted to show you that gorgeous style. You know, again, you can give it a shake and bring it back to life. Run your hands through the curl pattern and just spruce up that wave a little bit. Now, just to show you the cap construction, that is what you call a lace front with a lace part. So the lace front, when I just lay that onto my hand, you can see that just breezes to a side. And when the lace front is worn onto the scalp, it'll keep it looking very natural, like it's growing out of your head, which just looks fantastic. And it really works well for having the curtain bangs where there's a separation in at the front. So this is our new style and our new colour. The colour is shaded amber and the new style is sage. And I think she's gorgeous.